Hello, beautiful sacred souls. My name is Alison Batty Capps, author of The Divine Within, Healing Ourselves to Heal the World, and owner of Blossoming Heart Wellness. Today I wanted to share a quote from a reader who read my book, The Divine Within. Her name is Kara, and she said the book was transformational. She said it was filled with profound wisdom and an activation. I wanted to just share that for those of you that are interested in energy healing, The Divine Within carries a frequency. I was channeling Unity Consciousness as I wrote the book, and I did ask Unity Consciousness, the archangels, and the ascended masters to flow through me into the book and to help awaken and heal individuals who read the book. So the book is not only designed to help you understand your own healing journey through the bridging of spirituality, psychology, and neuroscience, but it literally is an activation. So if you are interested in receiving healing and cannot afford to go see an energy healer, then my book might be a great way to receive energy healing. It not only carries a transmission, but it teaches you how to channel these frequencies so that you can heal yourself. Thank you, Kara, for feeling the activation. It is always such a deep honor and privilege to be a channeler, and when others can feel the vibration in something that I channel, it truly is an honor and confirmation that we are all capable of doing this. Sending you all deep love.